the instantiation part of that class. So Pluto is equal to new Pluto. So now my external class has been instantiated. At this point, I'm going to try to trace this public method give me dog. Okay. But before I do that, I'm going to try to access this dog property. Okay. So trace using the name of the instance Pluto.dog. When I run it, I get an error. It says attempted access of inaccessible property dog through a reference to static type Pluto. Thing is, dog is a private variable. It's only accessible from within this Pluto class here. And I cannot access it even by instantiating that class using its instance variable name, its property name. But, there's a but, because I'm going to try a little trick here now. I'm going to write, instead of the instance name followed by the name of the private property, I'm going to write the name of the public method. I'm going to take that and I'm going to put it in there. I'm going to ask Flash to go and access a public method from my Pluto class, which then on its own goes and accesses a private property, which is not important because I'm accessing a public method, and that public method can do what it wants. In fact, when I run it now, I get the value Doberman out. Now, this property cannot be accessed directly from any of the other classes, even from the document class or from the timeline of my main file. But it can be accessed through and indirectly through this public method, which has access to it and therefore makes it accessible to my document class. This is a very simple example of encapsulation without